Hi everybody, it's Janine again. I'm here with Briar Rose, my baby, which you know, and her sister Bridget, which was born yesterday. Bridget is an Adriana sleeping kit by Reva Schreck. Also, she is a toddler. She is 18 to 12 months close, and she is for sale. If you are interested, just let me know and we'll discuss price. Thank you. I want to remind you about the contest I'm having, giving away either a boy's outfit or a girl's outfit. Let me pan over here so you can see. Let me do it slowly so I don't make anybody sick. The girl's outfit and the boy's outfit. What I'm coming to you today is to talk about and teach you how to do bottles. The bottles are actually, I'm going to teach you how to do a formula bottle, and I'm going to teach you how to do a apple juice bottle. I'm also going to teach you how to do your own pacifiers to be for reborns. So give me a second. I'll be on the other side of the camera and I'll be able to say hi again. Hi everybody. It's Janine here. Okay, let's start with the nipples. They have to be sealed so that nothing comes out on your baby. You need regular silicone, which is waterproof, and you want to get the clear one. What you do is you take your nipple, you take your silicone. You just take the nozzle of the silicone and you place it inside the nipple and you squirt a bunch of it in the nipple at the top. Then you let it dry for about 12 to 16 hours. You don't put a lid on it and you don't put it on the bottle because it won't dry. But this seals the bottle, protects your baby, and also little kids can't get into it. But what you want to avoid is once it's sealed, you don't want to pinch here because it will loosen your seal. You want to keep it to where if you do pinch it for some reason, you pinch here. When you're holding the baby, you should hold it like this on its mouth and not push it down. So I'm going to do just a few of these because I have so many of them to do. And then we'll move on to our next step. That one was sealed. Didn't need to do it. Good. One less thing to do today. Okay. I can come back to that. So, what you need for your formula, your fake formula, is Downy Ultra Free and Sensitive. It is white inside, okay? So what you will do is I'm going to do two size bottles here so that you know the measurements. This one is new, so we're going to take the nipple off and put it over here so that I can seal it. This one is also new, so I'm going to take the nipple off, put it over here so that I can seal it. Okay, we're going to do the small bottle first. Okay, you're going to take it and you're going to put about an ounce of your Downy in it. And then you're going to this is just water, I didn't want to have to get up and down. You want to take and put about 3 up to the 3 line with your water. If you look at this, it looks very white and very runny. That is how breast milk looks, okay? If you want it to look more like formula instead of breast milk, what you can do is you can take your yellow food coloring, take a Q-tip, put the yellow food coloring on the tip of the Q-tip, stick it in the milk, take it out, take your nipple, your bottle that's been sealed, close it, shake it up, and of course then it will look more like formula because it will have a yellow tint to it. Now I want to show you this nipple's already sealed so it's not going to leak, and also when I do my bottles I tighten them pretty tight so that little kids can't come behind me and unscrew them. Now for a big bottle, excuse me, for a big bottle what I do is I put 2 ounces of the Downy Free in it, and then I fill it to about the 6 mark. Okay, let's see here. And then I put the nipple on really tight, and I always shake them just to make sure that they don't leak. I'm kind of hoping I have one that leaks so that you'll see what it happens when it leaks. So we're going to close up our Downy. Just set it to the side. Okay, now we're going to make apple juice. What you need is yellow food coloring, and for the first bottle you want to put about half a drop in there. Sometimes you'll get a little more than half a drop, and if you do, it might turn a little orange. Just add a little more water, and then I fill it up to like the 3 ounce mark. I think that's a little fuller. That is a little fuller. But there's your apple juice. Now remember that mommies, when they put apple juice in babies' bottles, when they start drinking it, they always cut it with water. So it's going to look a little pale yellow, so it's okay. Okay, once again, our nipple is sealed, so our apple juice is fine in our bottle. Now for the big bottle, you want to take your food coloring, and you want a whole drop, maybe a drop and a half. And then you want to fill it to the sixth line. And it's looking a little orange, so I think I'll go to the 8th line. Let's see here. Let me see if I can get this one to leak, because I've been telling you guys how they leak. So I squeezed it, I tightened it really tight on here. So let me just play with this a minute, and then let's see if it'll leak. Okay, well, it's going to make a liar of me right now, and I'm sorry about that. But usually if you squeeze these to the side, what will happen is they will leak, and you don't want them to leak. Apple juice is non-toxic to kids, the apple juice bottles, because it's just food coloring and water. This, I wouldn't want my kids to drink it. So we're going to take our bottles and put them over here, and we're going to move to our dummies. Okay. When doing your dummies, you need 3 things, and I forgot one of the things I needed. So I apologize. You need a hot glue gun. You need your dummy or your pacifier. You need 4 things. You need your magnets, which these are very strong magnets. In fact, my care instructions with my babies will tell you, make sure that you don't set the babies by your electronics, because as you can see how that worked. Once again, you can see how it comes up. Okay, what you want to do is, I use an X-Acto knife, but you can use scissors. I only use an X-Acto knife because I like it to cut right at the edge. If you take your pacifier and you bend it over like this and hold it with your thumb, you're not going to cut yourself, and you're going to be able to get a clean edge right there. As you can see, it's starting to cut already, which is good, which I like it to do. I hate to fight with them. And then cut around the sides, and see, your pacifier is already coming up. So then you want to take it and you want to pinch it and hold it to the next side. Come around the side again and cut it and cut it, and keep cutting till you get the pacifier off. Okay, it's that easy. Okay, you can make as many dummies, pacifiers as you want.